So in addition to some of these proposals you've made, especially concerning holding governors accountable, what more do you think should be the way forward?
A commitment to the legal process. Our constitution and praxis over the time, since we resumed or we returned to democracy, we have had cases of judicial intervention. And this judicial intervention over time has shown consistency and has shown that the judiciary has capacity to resolve our differences. So at any point in time, whatever may be the differences, whatever may be the divergence, there should be a need to resort to the judiciary. And in this case, especially when the Court of Appeal are taking a certain decision on this matter, and of course there is a confusion, as it were, I think the next thing is to either look for the appropriate or seek the appropriate kind of interpretation, or go to the next appellate court, which is the Supreme Court. So there's absolutely no need to unleash this kind of violence. And I must actually talk about I don't want to call it false alarm, but the alarm of the governor earlier this morning. When I read that statement, I was like, was the governor actually talking about the former governor Oyetola of Osun State? Because I was a part of the monitoring team to the election bid of the former governor. And when he lost by a razor-thin margin, 3.5% of the total election result, there was absolutely no form of violence. In fact, when the supporters of the governor at that time was encouraging him, and of course were actually rooting for violence, I know that the governor sent emissaries to them to calm them down. So that is the kind of antecedents I know about this governor. So I don't think that kind of person or that personality would have such tendency, to incite or to even resort to violence.